I strongly believe that economics has in fact achieved very substantial improvements in our understanding of the way the system works and the way the system ought to work. It's not to be discarded. We cannot start from scratch, and we certainly shouldn't. So in that sense, it's going to be evolutionary. We will build on the past. But in the process of building on the past, there may well be pockets, if you like, important areas of revolution. Let me give you, if I like, an example from my understanding of the history of physics. Clearly, the theory of relativity was a revolution. It changed both special and general, changed physicists' conception of the universe in a really very profound ways. But it clearly could be fitted into, and it was fitted into, the previous dominant Newtonian paradigm, which turned out to be a special case of the new theory. And I think if we do succeed, we will find that the profit-maximizing, efficient market hypotheses will be special cases of broader theoretical perspectives. I suspect that might be how it will happen. And you will still preserve lots of areas where that particular perspective is a very useful way of thinking about this very, very complicated world, because it isn't a complete denial of reality. And we will never get perfect understanding in this sort of area. It's just too messy and too complicated. So it will be very good in many respects, but there will be other respects in which it will be completely inadequate, and that's where we want revolution. So I see successful scientific disciplines as they've evolved over time as being revolutions within an evolutionary process. There aren't any obvious, well, there have been a few examples, but by and large, sciences have advanced once they become established as serious sciences, like biological sciences with evolution. Once you've got that, then you can make very, very large advances, which don't necessarily overthrow the whole structure of the discipline. And I think that is what we should be looking for in economics.